Hi, we're on to qualification. I always think these videos are going to be quick, and then you just see the features, and it's just so much it offers, right? So we're talking lead scoring. So we want to set lead scores up to say when this person signs up for the email newsletter, we're going to give them 20 points. When they click on something we ask in the email, we're going to give them 15 points. When they buy a product, we're going to give them 50 points. When they buy a second product, they're going to get 100 points. Or whatever the lead scoring you're going to make out, what is important for the lead that gets them better scores. Every time they visit the website, we're going to give them 5 points. So when you get your leads, you're going to have a list of people, and they're all going to have different scores. So you're going to look at the highest scoring ones and target those people with your salespeople, and you're going to reach out and say, you don't have to say, I've seen that you've come to the website 10 times in the last 3 days. You're obviously interested, but there's going to be people who aren't clicking on your emails. There's going to be people who aren't clicking on your websites. They're not clicking on buttons to find out more. They're not clicking on buttons to buy now. But there's going to be people that are. And those are the ones that you want to get over the line. You may as well concentrate on the highest scoring leads, right? This is where we're going to set the rules for the leads and how much they're going to get. Lead tags, we're obviously, again, talking about segmentation. What does this lead do? Does this lead always look at commercial things on our website, or does this lead look at residential? And you're going to tag them for where they've been, what they've been doing, right? Stages, where's the lead at? Understand your lead's journey and how they progress towards the sale. So this is your sales funnel. This is starting, negotiating, ready to buy, sign off, sale. This is your funnel, and obviously a massive part of any CRM, any marketing area, anything like that. And of course, finally, on every tab, as we've got the stats, the reports, the data to tunnel into. So lead qualification, really important, and really cool that you can set the rules and set the targets up.